we're making Arroz Caldo, a cozy and gingery rice porridge great for merienda or afternoon snack in Tagalog. This version breaks from tradition with the addition of crispy chicken skin and spinach, but remains a simple, stick-to-your-ribs dish perfect for the cooler months. Let's get into it. Pat chicken dry with a paper towel. We're using 4 skin-on thighs here, and season with 1.5 teaspoons of kosher salt. Pour 2 tablespoons of grapeseed or any neutral flavored oil in a soup pot, then add chicken thighs skin side down. Heat over medium. Might feel weird starting in a cold pan, but trust when I say this method helps fat render slowly and evenly, resulting in supremely crispy chicken skin, which we'll use for garnish at the end. This can take anywhere between 20 to 30 minutes, depending on your burner and pot. A good time to prep our other ingredients. Back to chicken. If you're like me, you're gonna wanna flip this before it's ready. We're looking for skin to release easily from the pan before turning, about 20 minutes. Don't fret if this step takes longer than expected. Allow the second side to brown, then set aside. Now what we're left with is this liquid gold. We'll throw in our onions, mince garlic and ginger, sweat until onions are translucent and take on a golden color, about 7 minutes, making sure to scrape chicken bits from the bottom. This is what we're after. At this point, add 1 cup of rinsed sticky rice. Toss with aromatics for a minute or so. Let's step away from the pot for a sec and attend to our chicken skin garnish. Almost like pulling a sticker from a jar, carefully remove skin from thighs. Set this aside for now. Back to the pot, add 7 cups of water. Give the rice a stir, then add in bare chicken thighs. Bring water up to a boil, then stir in 1 chicken bouillon cube. Let this simmer until soup has thickened and chicken is very tender, about 20 minutes. Meanwhile, let's prep our toppings. Bring a small saucepan of water to a boil. Drop in 4 eggs and cook for 7 minutes, or however long you prefer. Let's make some garlic chips. Pour 1/4 cup of grapeseed oil into a small skillet, then heat over medium. Add in 7 garlic cloves we sliced earlier, stirring constantly just until lightly golden. Set this aside on a paper towel lined plate. Our Arroz Caldo has been simmering for 20 minutes now. Let's drop heat to low. Make sure rice doesn't absorb too much water, especially after the 15-minute mark. Think a few notches soupier than risotto or oatmeal. Transfer chicken, which should now be very tender, onto a clean plate or cutting board. Shred into bite-sized pieces using 2 forks. Discard bones, then return shredded chicken to pot. Give everything a nice stir. Add the spinach we chopped earlier. Add 1½ tablespoons of fish sauce, season with salt and black pepper to taste. One final stir, then all that's left to do is plate. Ladle Arroz Caldo into your bowl. Garnish with toppings that we prepped earlier, like your halved eggs, your crispy chicken skin, garlic chips, scallion, lemon, even chili oil if you'd like. Easy, right? This dish really delivers. It requires no fussy techniques, but the result is beautiful and so satisfying. Full recipe is down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please click like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.